Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have come up with an update regarding LLM 1 year program, whether it is still valid in our country or it is not. So in this video I have come up with an research regarding the three petitions which have been made to the Supreme Court against the scrap of LLM 1 year program, which was said by the Bar Council of India in 2021. So we will see the update whether the student should pursue for LLM 1 year program or they should go with the regular course, that is the 2 year program. So let's begin with the video. On 2nd of Jan 2021, the Bar Council of India notified the Bar Council of Legal Education, that is the postgraduate, doctoral, executive, vocational, clinical and other continuing education rules 2020. This was the what we say the statutory provision of the Bar Council of India, which has came up with this provision on 2nd of Jan 2021. In this, section 6 was made that 1 year master's degree is to be abolished. That Bar Council of India has notified in its statutory provision that the 1 year master degree is to be abolished. That it is not abolished today, but it is to be abolished. What further they said, let's see. A master degree program in law of 1 year duration introduced in India in 2013 as per provision by University Grant Commission shall remain operative and valid until the academic session in which these regulations are notified and implemented, but not thereafter at any university throughout the country. So this basically means that the notification said that the till now whatever LLM 1 year program is going on, that will be remain valid, but when the notification will come out, and from that day onwards, after those who are pursuing for LLM 1 year program, that will be scrapped. So when this section was made applicable, let's see further. This was further challenged in Supreme Court in Jan and Feb 2021 through three petitions. What was their three petitions? First one was the Tamanna Chandan Chanchlani versus Bar Council of India. Another one was Rishabh Soni versus Bar Council of India. And the third one was Consortium of National Law University versus Bar Council of India. The last listing of these petitions happened on 12th March 2021. So till now the listing of these petitions have been not made. The last petition was made on 12th March 2021 before the Supreme Court. In that proper proceeding, the Bar Council of India has submitted that these rules will be implemented from the academic session of 2022 to 23. So what was the contention of the Bar Council before the Supreme Court? That the policy for scrapping LLM 1 year program will be applicable from the academic session of 2022 and 23 onwards. So who were appearing for the Bar Council of India? Let's see. Mr. Vivek Tankha, the learned senior counsel on instruction from Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, the then chairman of the Bar Council of India, who is present before us. He states that the impingement rules are proposed to be brought into force from academic session 2022-23. These words were made before the Supreme Court by the learned counsel who was appearing on behalf of Bar Council of India, that we are proposing to implement the scrap of LLM 1 year program from academic session of 2022-23 onwards. Let's see what happens next. Now see, these they have told this before Supreme Court for scrapping, but the judgment has not came yet. So 2020, 22 and 23 onwards, whoever is pursuing LLM 1 year program, that will be remain valid. Okay, this thing make it clear. But for the better understanding or being in a safer side, हमें safe side रहने के लिए, in my suggestion, we should go for the 2 year regular program, because since I have talked to many professors, Central University professor, and they have recommended that students who are willing to pursue LLM, they should go for 2 year program rather 1 year, because the main reason is when you are applying for any job in prestigious university, some of the university make their own regulation bylaws, and in their bylaws they prefer 2 year program students rather who is परसुइंग 1 ईयर प्रोग्राम। सो इसका बेसिकली मतलब हम ये समझते हैं कि कई ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, नॉट ऑल यूनिवर्सिटी बट कुछ ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं जिनके अपने बायलॉज होते हैं। तो जब कोई स्टूडेंट या कोई जॉब सीकर एस्पिरेंट जाता है प्रोफेसर एज एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पढ़ाने के लिए अप्लाई करता है किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो वहाँ पे मोस्टली यूनिवर्सिटीज़ प्रेफर करती हैं जिन्होंने 2 ईयर का एलएलएम प्रोग्राम ऑप्ट किया है। रीज़न क्या है? क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि लास्ट 6 मंथ देयर इज़ अ डिसर्टेशन प्रोग्राम, दैट इज़ द थॉरो रिसर्च प्रोग्राम। सो दे थिंक कि 1 साल में कोई मास्टर्स डिग्री कर नहीं सकता, मतलब वेल वर्स्ड नहीं होगा। But NLUs, there are still NLUs who are taking 1 ईयर प्रोग्राम, who are making 1 ईयर प्रोग्राम, बट मे बी अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट की एडवर्स जजमेंट आ जाती है तो दैट विल सम और द अदर वे अफेक्ट द स्टूडेंट। सो बीइंग ऑन अ सेफर साइड आई विल सजेस्ट टू गो फॉर 2 ईयर LLM प्रोग्राम। So in this slide what we have to notice, let's see the points. There has been no listing of these matters after March 21, मतलब 21 के बाद कोई भी ऐसा अभी तक सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बिफोर ये मैटर गया नहीं है, अभी लिस्टेड है, अभी वेटिंग पीरियड में है। आफ्टर दैट सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ नॉट गिवन एनी ऑर्डर ऑन इट। पेंडिंग एनी एडवर्स ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, द रूल्स ऑफ द बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया विल ऑपरेट। यानी कि अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कोई ऑर्डर नहीं आया तो बार काउंसिल का रूल ऑपरेट करेगा। फर्दर व्हाट वी सी, reading section 6 and this summation together, we can understand that in whichever academic session the notification comes in, the rule will apply from that session। यानी कि जब भी एकेडमिक सेशन, जिस भी एकेडमिक सेशन में ये रूल आता है उस पर्टिकुलर सेशन से 1 ईयर LLM प्रोग्राम एबॉलिश हो जाएगा। सपोज अ स्टूडेंट हैज़ टेकन एनरोलमेंट इन 1 ईयर LLM प्रोग्राम and within a month if it comes that from this day onward this will be not applicable, then thousands of students have adverse impact on their academic career. So though it is submitted that rules are proposed to be brought in force from 22-23, there is no specific notification at this point to that effect। यानी अभी तक कोई भी notification नहीं आया है। So why should we be in a dilemma कि हम 1 ईयर के लिए जाएं 2 ईयर के लिए? Being on a safer side, go opt for the 2 ईयर program. Though it is submitted that rules are proposed to be brought in force 2023, this we have already read. So it seems that it proceeds at own risk for those wanting to join 1 ईयर LLM program. For all practical purposes, the courses that begin before the notification will be recognized and allowed to complete. So जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि ऐसा कोई एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, बट द मेजर इम्पैक्ट ये पड़ेगा कि जब आप फर्दर अप्लाई करते हो जॉब के लिए किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो उनके बायलॉज अगर ये कहते हैं कि नहीं, वी आर नॉट टेकिंग 1 ईयर LLM program once for our college but the 2 ईयर program students will be preferred। तो यहाँ पे एक डिसएडवांटेज होगा स्टूडेंट के लिए कि हमने LLM की सिमिलरली बस 1 साल का फ़र्क था, जस्ट बिकॉज 1 ईयर डिफरेंस वी हैव नॉट गॉट सिलेक्शन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर टीचिंग। सो बीइंग ऑन अ सेवर साइड आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट go for 2 ईयर program. Thank you. If you like this information, do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.